Good morning, students. Today I would like to teach you about different equipment used in poultry houses. The equipment used in the poultry houses should be simply easy to the use and durable. The process of their cleaning and disinfection should be easy. The poultry shed should be equipped with different materials like feeders, waterers, nest boxes, dust bath, and others. It is very useful for and very useful and very essential for good egg production. The equipment should be simple in use and simple in shape, cheap, lightweight, and easy cleanable. The equipments are feeders, waterers, thermometer, perch, nest, earthen pot for dust bath. Feeders are generally feeding equipments are feeders. They are different types: automatic feeders and linear feeders, circular feeders, and shell grid box. These are the feeding equipments. Feeders are feeding equipments used to be feed the birds by placing feed in them. They may be conventional, semi-automatic of various designs and shapes and made up of metal or plastic. Automatic feeder. Automatic feeder, the feed is supplied to the entire length of the poultry house by specially designed feed chain type of devices to move the feed from the feed bins to the other end. These are operated with electricity, and the height of the feeders can be adjusted depending upon the age of the birds. Linear feeders. They are different in size, and feeders with guards are available. Linear feeders are usually made of galvanized iron. However, it can as well be made of any locally available materials like wood and bamboo. Circular feeders. It is commonly called as hanging feeders. It is semi-automatic, hold up to 5 to 7 kg speed, feed slowly delivered down by gravity, and shell grid box. It is used to provide shell grid like broken seashell to the layer birds as a supplemental source of calcium. Mainly, the grit is used to the bird to aid in the mastication of food in gizzard. Small sand particles are the part of the grit which is useful in mastication. Calcium is very essential for the formation of eggshells, and the same can be provided through limestone and oyster shells. These are the feeding equipment. Feeding equipment or feeders are 4 types, that is automatic, linear feeders, circular feeders, and shell grid boxes. Water equipments. Water equipments are water softeners and filters and water heaters. Water filters. Water with high total dissolved solid will cause deposits on the humidity controls, spray nozzles, jet and valve seals. Water heaters. A large capacity broiler is generally used to provide hot water. Watering equipments, commonly called as waterers. These are mainly 5 types, that is pen and jar type, and a water basin type, nipple drinker type, bell type, and manual type. Pen and jar type. These are circular in nature. However, two compartments, it is made up of two compartments, that is jar for filling water, pan for delivering water, and water basin type. Water basin is made up of plastic. It is different diameters are available. A separate grill is available to prevent the entry of birds inside the water. Nipple drinkers. It can be used in deep litter and in case system. These drinkers looks like a nipple and water drops comes out when they are pressed. One nipple drinker in each case housing 3 layers is sufficient. Fourth one is bell type. It is commonly called as automatic waterers. It is made up of plastic. The shape of the waterer is bell shape. The bell shape usually suspended from separate pipeline for the purpose. This type of water has control over the water flow and maintains the required water levels always. These are the waters. Waters are mainly 5 types, that is pan and jar type, water basin type, nipple drinker type, and bell type, and manual drinkers. Manual drinkers are commonly called as fountain drinkers because water comes out the holes like that in the case of fountain. In case of chicks during first week brooding, the manual drinkers are popularly used. The main advantages of manual drinkers is giving vitamins and other probiotics, medicines and vaccines through water. It is made up of high impact of plastic in bright colors like red and blue are available. Arrangement of drinkers at an equal distance of 0.6 meters between any two feeders and feeder and a drinker. These are the waterers. Next, the layers in the poultry shed prefer dark and separate places for laying of eggs. The hen lays every day at the same place where it starts laying the first egg. One nest box is sufficient for every 5 layers. The nest box should be built on end of the walls. Perches. It is commonly called as roosts. These are the horizontal poles which birds can sit and rest, especially during night time. Sufficient perches should be constructed to prevent the birds from crowding at night. Thermometer. Thermometer is very essential for to regulate the temperature levels in poultry house. And another equipment is earthen pot. It is very useful for dust bath. Fowls prefer dust bath to prevent essential because it avoid external parasites such as lice and ticks. So it is necessary to arrange a dust bath with earthen pot or a pit in the ground filled with dry sand and ashes. Sulfur powder should be added to the sand. These are the common equipment used in poultry houses, that is earthen pot, thermometer, perches, nest, and different waterers like pan and jar type, manual type, bell type automatic, and nipple drinker, water basin type of water equipment, and pan and jar type of drinkers, and water equipments like filters and water heaters, feeding equipment like shell grid box and circular feeders, and linear feeders and automatic feeders. These are the common equipment used in poultry industry.